First, let me welcome all the students, and the topic of today's lecture is research. So let's begin. So in our discussion, we would have definition of research, then importance and purposes of research, then we will discuss characteristics of a good research and the scientific method of research. So, what can you see on the screen? Please tell me. Yes, please. Which things you can see on the screen? Yes, reply me fast.
So those are electronic gadgets.
Electronic gadgets like
Cell phone, television,
the telephone is there.
radio,
Is there a telephone?
radio.
The radio is there.
Oh, sorry, cell. Yes, sir.
Cell phone.
Cell phone, right? Then television is there, right? The cell phone now you are having in your hand is the same phone displayed on the screen. Is the cell phone on the screen latest or old one?
Old one.
Old one. See the image of the TV, television. Is the television on the screen the latest one or the old one?
Old one.
What about
Old.
the radio? Old one, right? You all say that all the images of the gadgets, and these gadgets are of the previous generation or old generation, right? Today we are using television, we are using radio, we are using cell phones, right? But what we are using today is totally different from the same gadgets in the past. Are we using the same gadgets or the latest one?
Latest.
Right. So on the screen, two mobile phones are there and they are just using buttons, right? And the mobile phones now we are using, they are buttonless. They are touch phones, right? Right? See the image of the television. The television image is of the older one. Today we are having LED or LCD TVs, right? We don't have radio phones in our home right now because it is available in the mobile phone today, isn't it? Yes. So the point is that why this is happening? Why we are not using the television of the old version? Why we are using the television of the latest version? why we are using the mobile phone of the latest version? Can you tell me the reason? Yes, please. Suppose that Sukeshini wants to buy a new mobile phone, right? So, which type of mobile phone she would prefer, 4G or 5G now? Yes?
5G.
Yes? 5G. Okay. So previously we
Sir.
had 2G phones, then we had 3G phones, now we are having 4G phones, and very soon we would have 5G, right? What is the reason behind this development? Can you tell me the reason of this development? We don't have the old version of the television set. We are having LED and LCD TVs. What is the reason behind this progress, this development? Yes, please. What is there on the screen? Yes. Hello. What is there on the screen?
Futures of new communication technology offer important advancement for organization.
What about the image? Can you see the picture over there?
Communication technology.
A monkey is doing what? What is there in the hand of the monkey?
Typing machine.
It's a typing machine. There is the image of some different machine. Okay, what is that? Latest machine. What is that?
Laptop.
Laptop. So the monkey is holding a typewriter. That's the one image. And second image of a laptop. Which one is the latest?
Laptop.
Laptop.
Which machine? I repeat, which machine is latest?
Laptop.
Laptop. So will you buy a typewriter or buy a typewriter or will you buy a laptop? What would you buy today? A typewriter or a laptop?
Laptop.
Laptop. So the journey from the typewriter to the laptop took many years, right? So what is the reason behind this? That's the question. ते कशामुळे चाललं आहे? Yes?
Research.
The reason is research. Right? See, research we are having in the form of technology. In the form of technology. Because of the research, we are having latest machines in our hands, in our house, and in our atmosphere. Today, we are not having typewriter machine, we are having laptop. We are not having the old type of mobile phone. We are having latest type, that is 5G. Very simple. Right. We are not having the old type of the television. We are having LCD and LED, isn't it? So our life is fast. And the reason is research and
Right. That is Akshadarla.
see. What is there on the screen? Again, the old version and the new version, right? In the past, we have used email, right? So the time for sending a mail took a lot of time in the past. But today, we can send the mail within few seconds. So it's a matter of speed, right? It's the matter of the speed. And we got a tremendous speed. And the reason is again research. So the time for sending a mail in the past and the time for sending a mail today has a big difference. And the reason behind this big difference is technology. And again, why technology is advancing? Because of research and research. So scientists are creating new type of machines, smart machines, right? Machines with extra speed, right? Because of their study. And this study means research. This means a research, right? So our life is very much influenced by the word research. So let's move towards the word research. The word is made of two morphemes. Re, R-E, is the prefix and search is the main word. That is the root word. So re plus search is equal to research. So if we go to find the meaning of this word research, then we have multiple meanings. First, let's see the meaning of the word search. S-E-A-R-C-H. What is the meaning of search? Please tell me. What is the meaning of search? Yes?
To find something.
Yes, to find something. Okay. Searching. We search websites on internet, right? Isn't it? We search on Facebook. Isn't it? We search on Instagram. So searching means find something. If we use the prefix re, we get a word research. Then what is the meaning of research then? Search means to find something. And what is the meaning of research then? Does it make any difference if we join re to the word search? As we know that re means to repeat the same action again, isn't it? So what is the meaning of research? Re means again, again, right? Doing or the repeating the same action. So repeating the same searching again. It can be the rough definition of research. So research is used from two words, as I told you. The prefix is re, which means again, and the word search. It means to look for something, to find something. Thus, it means to look for something again, to search for something again. That is the rough definition of research. So research means what? Research is an organized inquiry carried out to provide information for solving problems. It is a cornerstone of every science. See the underlined words, organized inquiry. Organized inquiry. Let's move towards the next slide. It will clear your mind. See, it's a process. Research is a process. Here, re means doing the same thing again. Search means find. And it's a process, means step-by-step process. It has phases. It has periods. It has steps. So, the meaning search means what? So re means search, re means once more, a fresh, a new outlook, right? Like that. So search means to look through or go over thoroughly, to look something or examine to find anything concealed. You must have seen Apple watches, some smart watches created by Apple company. Have you seen such watches?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the difference between the old type of watch and a smart watch? What is the difference? Can you tell me? Do we have extra features in smartwatch? Please reply.
आता म्यूट केलाय.
Old watch tells us time and date only. Okay? These two things. Time and date. Right? And what the new smart watch gives you extra.
एवढं घेऊ.
Reply please, I'm waiting. What extra we get from the smart watch? Can you tell me?
So as we get new features like a retina display, blood oxygen, and how many distance we have walked in a day, some special features like this we get in Apple watches.
Right. Okay. What about the old type of television and today's smart television? What's the difference? Yes, please.
Difference of size, screen.
Right. Size, screen. Do we have Google in old type of television?
No.
No. So we had old version of televisions in the past. Right. So why we were not satisfied with that kind of old television? Why we needed new smart television? That's the question. Yes.
Sir, new TV also provide us with better video processing, audio qualities.
Yes. So this
Expanded
better,
features.
okay, is better or new thing needed by the human being always, right? So it is the human tendency to have new and better things. So we were not satisfied with the old type of the television. We were not satisfied with the old type of wristwatches. We were not satisfied with the old type of television. So we created a new type of television. We created a new type of wristwatch. We created a new type of computers, isn't it? Why we did it? Why we did it? For betterment, for smartness. Right? So the old type of television was researched. The old type of wristwatch was researched. The old type of television was researched. Right? So why this happened? It is because of research. So we changed the concept of wristwatch. We changed the concept of the television. We changed the concept of computer also. And this changing of the concept, the function of the machines changed now. And why this happened? It is because of the research. So the television has been changed. The concept of the wristwatch has been changed. The concept of the computer has been changed, isn't it? So the machines are going through this change, this betterment, this smartness because of research. See, the scientists, they are looking at the old type of television with a new view, with a new concept, isn't it? So this new and fresh look means research. So here research means we are not satisfied with the current situation. We wanted something new and advanced. We wanted something new and advanced. That's why we are having new things, right? So we were not satisfied with 3G speed. We created 4G speed. So we were not satisfied with 4G speed. We researched it. We means the scientists, right? So we created 5G. And in modern countries like Japan, in Korea, they are having 7G networks of internet, 7G. Can you imagine? and we are very backward in this regard. We are just stepping towards the 5G, isn't it? So it means the people of Korea and Japan, they are advanced. Their research is of the better quality. So research means looking for something new and looking at something with a fresh look, with a fresh outlook, right? So research has two findings. A research can create a new thing, or a research can create or make the old thing a smarter one, right? So mobile phones, in the past, mobile phones 10 years ago and mobile phones of today, this development is because of research. Television 10 years ago and today's television, there is a huge difference. And why this is there? That is research. The motorcycle 10 years ago and today's motorcycle, huge difference, right? The cars 10 years ago and today's cars, a big difference because of research. Wristwatch 10 years ago and smart watches of today, a big difference because of research, isn't it? Picture quality, right? Picture quality is also changing, right? We are having HD videos. Now they are videos of HD plus, and we are entering into 4K video quality also. This HD, HD plus, 4K video, see this development. And why this is the development? It is because of research. So people, the scientists are searching, researching for betterment, for smartness. And this happens because of one thing in our human mind, in our human brain, that is curiosity. Curiosity. That's why we are not satisfied with HD. So we invented HD plus. We are not satisfied with HD plus. We invented 4K videos, right? In coming future, we would not satisfied with 4K. We would have a latest version in the coming future also. And why this is happening? Because of research, because of continuous study. So research means a continuous study. It's a process. It's a process. See, step-by-step process. As I told you, we had 2G phones. Then process was there to invent 3G phones. Then a process was there to invent 4G phones. Then process is there to invent 5G phones, isn't it? So the process of making the mobile phones updated is still going on and will still going on in the future also. And why? Because we are not satisfied. And as we are not satisfied, we want a research, isn't it? We want a research. So research means creating a total new thing for the first time, or research means making the old thing a smart one. like mobile phones. Making the mobile phones smarter. It's a research. But when mobile phone was invented for the first time, it was a different research. Mobile phone was invented by Motorola company. Motorola. You must have heard this word, this company. So Motorola company invented the first mobile phone in the world. Right? That was the research. Right? But after that, the same mobile is updated. So that mobile is going through the process of updation, going through the process of research. That's why our mobile phones are becoming touchy mobile phones are becoming light in weight. Mobile phones are having 2 cameras, 3 cameras, now 4 cameras, isn't it? So this 1 camera, 2 camera, 3 camera, 4 camera, right? Then the pixels are advancing. And what is the reason? It is because of research. Because the scientists are still working on the camera. They are still working on the processing of mobile phone. They are still working regarding the battery of the mobile phone. Right? They are making the mobile phones lighter, isn't it? So the reason is research, research, and research. So research makes our life a better one. So research, right? We would discuss the concept of research in our next lecture.